Oh, right, there you go.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, good.
Good.
What can we do here for?
No, just
Having a look.
I was standing across the road there and I was looking in the window last night.
Oh yeah.
You got some toys in here, haven't you?
Oh yeah, they're just our own dirt bikes that we do a little bit of green laning.
Ah.
Yeah, we kind of get out occasionally and just do the byways and do green lanes around it. There's not so many as there kind of used to be, but there are some still.
Yeah.
There's quite a few sort of going down into Hampshire.
Oh, right, yeah.
There's a lot of
Yeah.
byways down there. And also going up out of Guildford up towards kind of Gomshore and Sheer and going up to Leatherhead as well.
Bike friendly.
Yeah, it's good, you know. Yeah, insurance and all that kind of stuff. Yeah.
I wasn't able for it anymore.
Yeah, no, I only do gents.
I used to be a daredevil.
Yeah, when you're young, you sort of do have a go, don't you? Yeah, sure thing.
When you get 64, 125s and
Yeah, we do
bikes,
shift.
it's great.
We
Yeah.
shift a lot of those. That's the most popular thing we sell.
Yeah.
125s.
Yeah, it's good. Good.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
You've got some beasts.
Yeah, we like to keep it a range, different, broad range if you like. Yeah.
I like this old Joe, the yellow.
Oh yeah, that belongs to a buddy of ours, and we've just got it on display. Really, it's not even for sale. He's just he's another one who's got too many bikes and not enough space to keep.
What
them all.
year is that?
That's about 1970,
Wow.
71, something like that. So
Wow.
little 125. I think that one was meant for the American market.
Right.
We didn't get much of those over here.
Yeah. Wow.
And the other one further along, that's a Honda SS65.
Wow.
Or S60, no, it's an S65, yeah.
Yeah.
And that's old as well, that's 60s, 1960s that is.
Wow.
But yeah, our buddy Chaz, he's got a lot of old bikes and he doesn't have enough space, so we keep the odd 2 or 3 over here.
I worked at Yamaha in Chelsea when the R1. Yeah. That's nice. Lovely. I got dragged into cars.
Oh right, yeah, well that's, it's useful to have 4 wheels in some cases. You don't have to bust your ass, it's just...
That's a beast, isn't it? Were they 400s, 250s?
I got most of those are CRM 250s, but the second one in is an XR 400.
Oh, the big one.
Paul.
Yeah.
So they're great, they're ideal for what we do with the green laning.
Wow.
They're old now, but we're not racing, we're just going along at, 20 mile an hour, 25 mile an hour.
Mate, you've made my weekend, this place. God, it's great to see you opening this still.
Yeah.
So all the old motor spare shops, they're all kind of dying a
Well,
bit.
yeah, that is the trouble. Most of the old fashioned places are going now. So we'll keep going a few more.
What's your name?
Pete, I'm Pete.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Paul.
yeah. Paul, nice to meet you. Yeah.
Lovely.
Okay, Paul.
Cheers, Pete. Apparently there's a little cafe, a little kiddies playground.
Yeah, there is. Yeah, just in the field.